Welcome to this exclusive interview with Mr. Tapan Singhel, MD and CEO of Bajaj Allianz General Insurance Company and Chairman of the General Insurance Council. Under his visionary leadership, the company has earned quite a lot of recognition for its customer-centric approach as well as innovative solutions. Today, we are here to celebrate Bajaj Allianz being named the best motor insurance company at the recently concluded Times Drive Green Conclave and Awards. How has incorporating AI and ML in underwriting and incorporating more tech basically helped with improving customer service at Bajaj?
See, technology plays a huge role in improving customer service. Let me give you an example. If you look at what does insurance companies do, they work with a lot of data. No? A simple thing like when we started doing, as I told you, settling claims on the spot, we had millions of accident claims before that, and since we had digital records, we had it on that. So when a claim would come, we try to match it with the past record to see that a similar claim, what would be the value of assessment. And that was machine learning, as you know. It nowadays has become much faster.
Yes.
You can assimilate our data together, learn faster and predict much faster. That was the initial start. Now obviously that moves on to the AI part. It becomes more friction free. The time to settle claims reduces much faster. You have data patterns and you have a lot of data available now. You have a lot of social media feeds. Let's say if an accident happens, forget about somebody going there. I think in the next 3-4 minutes, you have it all over social media.
Yeah, that is true.
If you look at the current Los Angeles fires going on, you have it all over social media. So it's not difficult for you to get data flow in at a hyper speed. How do you get that data? How do you use the past record for the machine to learn? How do you put that together? Enhances your ability to pay claims super fast. And as a company, we are obsessed to pay claims as fast as possible. This enhances our customer services to the next level. So AI ML plays a huge role in terms of customer service to begin with. Underwriting also now you have a lot of understanding in data. Actually, you should try the experiment.
Okay.
Chat GPT or any large model that you use, put up an accidental vehicle photograph and ask them that what as per them is the loss. You'll be surprised to see that now the machine learning on an open source basis gives you a very fairly good estimate in the city that you're in. Anywhere in the world, yeah.
Okay.
And you can actually put up a question to them in terms of underwriting a risk, and it actually gives you a pretty good estimate. So on an open source basis, itself it has become pretty reasonable as per my view. So as an insurance company, obviously, since we have much more refined data and we train it better, it gives us a lot of impetus in terms of our underwriting skills and the claim settlement. Yeah.
This next aspect is something that a lot of Indians, I believe, don't do in a timely manner. And I'm talking about renewing your vehicle insurance policy. So what is your message to anyone who's got a vehicle regarding their timely renewal of policies?
I think the reason is people understand the gravity of the risk. I think, let's say if you have a two-wheeler, you would think even if insurance doesn't happen, what will happen? Some loss, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000 rupees loss, I'll bear it. Why get, and try to insure things. But if I told you there's a 15 crore loss on a two-wheeler, would you believe me?
Wow.
15 crore, what is a two-wheeler? A very simple two-wheeler, which will not cost you more than 70,000 rupees. The claim on that is 15 crores. And it's a legitimate claim.
That is very hard to believe.
Hard to believe, yeah. Now let me explain how does it happen. In India, motor third party is mandatory by law. So you actually have to have an insurance.
Yes.
If you are driving a vehicle without insurance, it's illegal.
Yeah.
Why is it mandatory by law? Let's understand that also. It is because if the vehicle meets an accident and somebody gets killed or has injury, then as an owner of the vehicle, you are liable to compensate for that.
True.
That is what the Motor Vehicle Act states. Now, how does the compensation work? Whatever the earning of that person, that gets multiplied by number of years the person will be earning and the dependents which are there, and on that basis a computation gets done. Now, in this particular case, it was a software engineer working in the US.
Okay, I understand where the figure came out now.
It's 15 crores. And who is liable for it? The owner. If it's insured, who pays? The insurance company. If it's not insured, who pays?
The owner.
Imagine, you forget insurance and if an accident happens and you have 15 crore liability which you have to pay, Mithun.
Yeah, most people don't even make 15 crores in their lives.
Forget about it. But whatever you have made is gone.
Yeah.
So all 20 years of your hard work, Mithun, one judgment, you're pushed back.
Yeah.
Was it worth of getting insurance or not insuring, which cost you 1,000 rupees a year? Matlab, no, was it worth that?
Yeah,
taking the
definitely
risk?
not. Definitely not.
That is it. No, people don't understand the gravity of the situation, and crores of claims are getting paid every year on the third party. So it's not something which you can predict that it will or will not happen. But if it happens, you're not covered. It's a huge risk to you as individual. All your savings, all your life, you actually become bankrupt at 20-25 years old. Labor just goes.
Now, I believe we touched upon this a little while ago, and this is with regards to two of the products that were recently announced by you. Could you give us more details about these?
Yeah, I think I just mentioned it earlier. It's good that you asked this question. One was on the driver part of it. Now, I mentioned that the first time in the Indian market, we are insuring the driver, not the vehicle as such. Because as I said, what's the vehicle's fault in India? They're not self-driving as yet. Mostly it would be the driver behind the wheels. And in India, the insurance is all on the vehicle, the make, model, and that's how it's priced. So here we're saying that if you are driving the vehicle, we are covering you. If the vehicle is owned by you, good. If it's not even owned by you, and the vehicle has a third party, obviously it has to be there, and you are driving and an accident happens, we even take care of that. For the vehicles owned by you, if you give us the name drivers doing that, you actually get a very good deal because it is those drivers who are driving it. And then if you are a safe driver, obviously your pricing is much better compared to the market. So now it's up to you. And the question to us, why would safe drivers be paying for unsafe drivers? I think that was the question we're trying to answer by this. And the second was on the eco part of it. We say that how can we play a role in the environment friendliness and as an insurer of automobile. So we come out with this product which encourages eco repairs, it encourages environmental friendly repair, and we give a year warranty from our side. We also ensure that we do a pick up and drop and also price it very competitively from a customer perspective. So encourage environmental friendliness. So these are the two products that we launched.
So obviously you can see those were quite innovative solutions, and it was no surprise that Bajaj Allianz ended up getting the Best Motor Insurance Company Award at the recently concluded Times Drive Green Conclave and Awards. Once again, thank you for taking the time out for this interview.
My pleasure.
It was a
pleasure.
pleasure.
Amazing talking to you.
And once again, congratulations for the award.
Thank you very much. So kind of you. Thank you.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.